Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Check iOS and free storage so updates or caches don't block connections. Next, toggle airplane mode, then Wi-Fi. This forces a fresh scan and clears transient glitches. Once done, restart the router and your iPhone. Rebooting clears DHCP leases and resets radio hardware. Make sure other devices can reach the network so you know whether the issue is the phone or the network. This narrows the next steps. If initial checks fail, forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin with the exact SSID and password. Mismatches cause authentication failures. If that does not work, reset network settings. This clears profiles, VPN, and cached DNS so you can rebuild a clean connection. Note that saved Wi-Fi passwords and some configurations are removed. Also, verify router band and channel. Many iPhones prefer 5 GHz for speed, but 4 GHz penetrates walls better, so pick the band that suits your environment. Now perform advanced steps. Update iOS to get driver and security fixes that often resolve Wi-Fi bugs. If connectivity is inconsistent, manually set DNS to 8 or 1 to rule out name resolution failures. If you still see issues, try restoring the iPhone from a backup to eliminate software corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: test using a mobile hotspot if the phone connects reliably there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.